Okay, contact our north now, 125.885. Bye-bye, Tom.
Thanks, sir. 885, starting flight 1.
Shamrock 9 Mike Yankee, good news for you. We're going to stand for now to be 313 Charlie. When you're ready, cross my 34 to Hotel 1.
And ground from the Shamrock 9 Mike Yankee.
Shamrock 9 Mike Yankee, go ahead.
Yeah, we were talking to ops there now. It looks like an indefinite delay on that privilege pushing. So we've been changed now to 313 Charlie.
Shamrock 9 Mike Yankee, yeah, just got that information as well. When you're ready, you're clear to cross to my 34 to Hotel 1.
34 in the Hotel 1, Shamrock 9 Yankee.
Ryanair 690, Romeo cross to my 34 on to Mike 1 and contact our north 125.885 for further. Bye-bye.
34 Mike 1, 125.885, Ryanair 690, Romeo 10.
United 22, hold short of link 4, please. Inbound heavy traffic to pass in front of you.
Short of link 4, United 22.
Shamrock 9 Mike Yankee, United 767 on Fox 3 will give way to you. Continue on to the 8 bin and around to stand 313 Charlie.
So United gives way down 313 Charlie. Shamrock 9 Mike Yankee.
Shamrock 42 Kilo, cross my 34 to Bravo 2 behind the outbound company in green colours. Continue Bravo 1 to stand 406 Alpha.
Yankee, up on company green colours, 406 Alpha.
Shamrock 459, continue catching the turn across the Sorry, no, this is for Shamrock 45 November. In turn, cross runway 34, Bravo 2, Bravo 1 to stand 417.
Cross 34, Bravo 2, Bravo 1 to 417, thanks Mail for 5 November.
United 22 and the inbound Aerlingus 330 has passed. Taxi Foxtrot Outer, hold short of link 5.
Outer, short of link 5 after Aerlingus United 22.
Shamrock 77 Charlie, continue in turn, Foxtrot Outer, hold short link 5.